Welcome to our latest video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we will be navigating through the exciting landscape of manufacturing trends for 2023. We'll be unveiling the top 9 developments that are not just fleeting trends, but are set to revolutionize the industry. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, or simply interested in the future of manufacturing, stick around. We'll be discussing everything from talent acquisition strategies, virtual testing technology, to the rise of 3D printing. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned to seize the opportunities these trends present. Let's get started. As we gear up for the new year, let's explore the top 9 manufacturing trends for 2023. These trends are not just passing fads, they're set to intensify and bring about significant developments within the sector. Businesses that understand and embrace these trends stand to gain from the opportunities they present. First up is the challenge of talent acquisition and retention. Like many industries, manufacturing is grappling with attracting and retaining talent. Factors like the aftermath of the global pandemic, rising inflation, hybrid and remote work options, and the rapid development of new technologies requiring new skill sets have all contributed to this issue. But there's a silver lining. Many manufacturing organizations are reinvesting in recruitment and retention initiatives, exploring ways to offer competitive salaries, benefits, and a work culture that appeals to younger employees. Empowering manufacturing supervisors and technicians with quality data can boost manufacturing efficiency and build a culture of accountability and ownership, leading to greater employee loyalty and retention. Next, let's talk about virtual testing. Virtual reality technology is growing in sophistication, and the manufacturing industry is starting to leverage it more to reduce the time and cost of testing expensive and large machinery. For instance, virtual twin prototypes can be created instead of physical ones, allowing for more efficient testing and tweaking before the actual equipment is built. This saves significant resources and improves overall quality. Embracing these digital manufacturing solutions can put businesses a step ahead of the competition. The third trend is 3D printing. This technology has made significant strides within manufacturing. Parts and products can now be created on a computer and printed using malleable material, making the process cheaper, faster, and more reliable. Moving on to our fourth trend, robotics and automation. Based on evolving machine learning and artificial intelligence, these technologies will continue to play a large role in manufacturing in 2023. Some organizations are even creating modular microfactories that can produce a component or specific product with very little human involvement. As these solutions grow in sophistication, they will adapt and learn from their specific manufacturing environment, improving performance and efficiency. Our fifth trend is the need for nimble supply chains. The pandemic highlighted persistent underlying supply chain weaknesses. It's crucial for manufacturing businesses to develop agile supply chains that can adapt when disruptions occur. There's a trend to bring more manufacturing back to the United States and diversify suppliers to quickly address disruptions. Strategic, proactive planning can help minimize future supply chain issues, protecting revenue and ensuring timely delivery of customer orders. Next, we have subscription-based pricing. The as-a-service model has exploded as businesses embrace subscription-based pricing to guarantee regular revenue for supporting ongoing service improvements. The idea of product as a service has evolved within manufacturing, allowing customers to pay a monthly rate and access production as needed. This model can help both manufacturer and customer streamline production and revenue. Our seventh trend is outsourcing. This has been a proven way to reduce operating costs and help all parties focus on their core competencies. Selecting the right outsourcing partners is crucial to the success of this model. The main disadvantage is losing control of the manufacturing for the outsourced components. So it's important to choose partners who deliver higher quality and lower cost products and services than you could produce internally. The eighth trend is corporate responsibility. Consumers demand more than just a quality product at a reasonable price. They want companies to be socially responsible. Manufacturers are now seeking responsibly sourced raw materials, reducing packaging, and focusing on decreasing carbon emissions. Caring for employees, their families, and surrounding communities can improve a manufacturer's image as a responsible and caring corporate citizen. Last but not least, our ninth trend is Asset Operations Management, or AOM. Manufacturers will increasingly embrace AOM as a way to centralize maintenance, reliability, and operations. This approach can help address global competition, long-term growth, supply chain issues, and employee retention. It ties the daily work of the technician with passive and active data to create a customized operational blueprint that empowers every employee to add value to the organization's vision. In conclusion, manufacturers who choose to embrace some or all of these top trends as they look forward to the new year will position themselves well ahead of the competition. Each trend brings a great deal of opportunity to improve products and services, boost employee attraction and retention, and be a contributing, respected member of the community. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the top 9 manufacturing trends for 2023 and how embracing these trends can position your business ahead of the competition. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insight. To learn more about how UpKeep can help you navigate these trends, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your journey towards a more efficient and innovative manufacturing process starts with us.